Welcome to Auto Amateur. I am Luke. In this video, we are taking off the bumper. Welcome to Auto Amateur. Welcome to Auto Amateur.
It's okay, go again.
We start.
Yeah.
I'm Luke.
Java.
I'm Luke. In this video, we are taking off the bumper.
Yeah, you saw it. This morning my daughter painted my nails. High five. Yeah. All right, so we got the rear bumper off and Luke was awesome help. Good job, Luke. Now in this video, we're actually going another step further and removing the hard bumper so that we can see the exhaust for the exhaust videos that I'm making. And in order to do that, we've got a couple of fasteners on the heat shielding, and then we've got a couple of big bolts that actually hold this bad boy in place. It's really not too tricky at all. Just 2 or 3 fasteners and 3 or 4 big bolts, and then we can safely remove the bumper. Well, that's it for another episode of Auto Amateur. This time I'm James, but Luke did a fantastic job. I hope you give him some love in the comments. He was really excited about making this video, and he was a super good help. But just a quick DIY, for those interested, I'm also making a series about exhaust mods at the moment. They are coming out over the next couple of weeks. There have been a couple already. Soul Performance exhaust going on and off this car. We have the X-Pipe behind me. The valved exhaust is going on next, which you can see is just sat here. And more fun and games coming soon for this holiday season. See you in another video soon. Bye.